Be honest, your airport cases look like everyone else. It's white, it's plastic, and it probably has few mystery scratches on it. But what if your tag didn't just feel like a gadget? What if it feels like an accessory? Welcome back, creators and creators. Today we are diving in the world of crochet AirPod cases. Whether you are a maker looking for your next Etsy bestseller or a shopper looking for a cozy your life, I have rounded up the most viral aesthetic and downright adorable designs that are taking over Shopify and Etsy right now. Stick around because by the end of this video, you are going to see tech protections in a whole new yarn covered flight. First up, let's talk about the category craze. If you are looking at the top selling items on Etsy right now, nature inspired designs are adorably dominating. We are talking about the classic red toadstool mushroom. It's iconic, it's sturdy, and the stem provides a perfect grip. Then there's the succulent pot case. Imagine your AirPod sitting inside a tiny crochet terracotta pot with a string or pearl plant hanging off the side. These aren't just cases, they are the think test mascaters. If you are selling these, focus on handmade charm. People love the idea that their tech was grown rather than manufactured. Next, we are heading into the kitchen. There is something impossibly satisfying about tech that look like snack. The avocado toast design is a perennial bestseller for a reason. The pit is the perfect spot for the opening flap. We are also seeing a huge rise in boba tea cases and tiny toast with little embroidered faces for Shopify owners. These are your impulse buy champions. They are colorful, they photograph beautifully for Instagram and TikTok, and they are tap into the kawaii culture that never goes out of style. Adding a small lobster claw keychain in matching color makes these 100% more functional for your customers. Now, not everyone wants a frog on their headphones. If your brand is more clean girl aesthetic or modern minimalist, this segment is for you. Checkered patterns, especially in sage green, creams, batik blue, or a massive right now. Using chunky t-shirt yarn or velvet Chanel gives these cases a high-end designer feel. These designs appeals to the customers who want protection without the culture. Now listing these on Etsy use keywords like modern crochet, minimalist tech, and sustainability chic. It's all about the tactile sensory experience that soft, squishy feels every time they reach into their bags. If you want this because you want to sell these, listen close. The secret to a 5-star review isn't just the crochet, it's the fit. Always mention if your cases have a silicone lining inside, it prevents the